Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID's password. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in appleid.apple.com. Once you do that, you're gonna have to give your credentials and sign in into your Apple ID. Now on your screen, you're gonna see options like email and phone numbers, password, and account security. Select password. Now from there, go ahead, give your current password, then create a new password which must have one uppercase, at least one lowercase, and one special character. Once you do that, you're gonna have to tap on change password from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your Apple ID's password. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.